Remax Rocks are so pleased to offer you this unique opportunity of not one but two villas in one plot. This is a unique opportunity as this has never come onto the market before. And here we go, we enter into the villa, this huge forecourt leading to the garage, and look at the view. You've got perfect sea views and mountain views. And so we go up into the villa with a beautiful entrance, all marble floors, no expense spared on furniture or fittings here. Every aspect has been thought of clearly. And here's Nora. Hello, Laura. And then through the windows, you can see the mountains and the heated pool for all year round swimming. And here we can see the adjoining villa for your guests or relatives to stay in total privacy. So we'll continue our tour. As I say, no expense has been spared on the furniture or the fittings. All new air conditioning units, 12 in total. All new windows, solar panels, brand new. And here's the heated pool again. And now we're going to move up to the garden. Before we do that, let's have a look at the view. Look at that. Perfect views of the Mediterranean. Perfect for sunbathing on the sunbeds. An absolutely pristine garden. Absolutely beautiful. There's parking there probably for 20 cars. Now we'll go back up into the garden where we have some olive trees and the potential for growing your own vegetables, tomatoes, aubergines. Absolutely fantastic. Back down to the gorgeous pool. And then we go round and look at this, a luxury lift that takes you straight up to your bedroom from the ground. Very rare, I've never seen one of these before. Each property also has its own generator. In the kitchen, you have reverse osmosis, so you can drink the water from the tap, which is very rare in northern Cyprus. And here's the smallest bedroom, which is currently being used as a study, ideal for both, and contains the CCTV for the whole property. The second bedroom, again, very well equipped, lovely views of the Mediterranean. And then we'll have a look, and here we are, in the shower and toilet suite to the main bedroom, or sorry, the spare bedroom. Nice and compact, but plenty of room, a nice terrace overlooking the forecourt and overlooking your partnering villa. Lovely blue skies, lovely views, lots of storage. Now we go upstairs to the master bedroom. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. A huge terrace all around the master bedroom, and then that will lead in. Look at the view again, absolutely stunning. Out onto the terrace. And here we go. There's a nice makeup area, a nice small gymnasium to keep fit whilst looking over the Mediterranean. And there's a unique little men's toilet here, very unusual but very useful. And now a joint bathroom for showering and keeping fresh after your gym workout. Absolutely stunning. And again the lift, which goes down to the basement and straight into your car. Very unique and unique to this property. So we go back down through the gymnasium, looking outside, back down the stairs, and then we're going to have a look, go outside. Lovely utility room on the way with the washing machine and tumble dryer and sink, and then into the lovely garage, which is very well fitted out. Plenty of storage for all your tools and equipment. Everything you would need. Out onto the huge forecourt and then down the steps to the adjoining villa. Again, a very unique feature to have two in one. So whether you've got friends or family visiting, they can have their own privacy, their own pool. The villa has its own generator. This villa has 3 luxury bedrooms, a nice outside eating area, a huge terrace again, plenty of parking for everyone. Absolutely stunning. Its own entrance, own garage, own generator, all state of the art and all new. A huge storage tank. And And here we go, back into the guest villa. Lovely entrance, very clean lines, all mod cons, wonderful TV, entrance out to the terrace, beautiful garden. Everything is spectacular. Look how well the garden is kept. Nothing is gone amiss here. Everything is maintained to the highest standards. Lovely furniture, radiator covers which are quite unique. Nice blinds, kitchen is beautiful. All modern equipment, best brands, wonderful utility room, to the outdoor eating area as well. Absolutely stunning. And here we are back at the entrance. Safe for your valuables, downstairs toilet and shower room, all very well kitted out. Again, in the bedroom, radiator covers for the winter, all well fitted, looking beautiful, lovely terrace. Absolute luxury all around you. Plenty of cupboard space. You could move in tomorrow, you wouldn't need to do a thing. Everything has been done to the absolute highest standards. Back into the beautiful lounge, very comfortable. And here we are, upstairs we're going, up the marble stairs into the bedroom. Again, lovely fitted kitchen, lovely fitted wardrobes. Beautiful ensuite, fantastic views again all around, absolutely stunning. Breathtaking views of the mountains and the seas. Everything is available here under one single property purchase.